Welcome back. Now that we know how to use opening and closing tags, what we can do is we can find text and we can manipulate that text between the tags. So for example, if we were to place our cursor in this set of text, you'll notice that once we tag the WYSIWYG editor, the actual code appears here at the bottom. And you'll notice that there is code that appears between this tag, and you'll notice where it is highlighted. Now, one of the things that we can do between tags is to create other tags, and we can do that in order to manipulate the nature of the text. So for example, we can use the command for italics. We can place the I with the brackets, then we can go right here to the end, and then we can create an I with a backslash and the brackets. Now we have an opening tag, we have a closing tag, and we've changed the nature of this text. If we click inside of the WYSIWYG editor, what you'll notice is that the text turns to italics. We can also add in things like underlining, and you'll notice that we've changed the I to a U. If we click inside of here, you'll notice now that the text has gone back to normal, but then it is now underlined. If we change the tag to S, where we have the S and the brackets, and then the S and then the backslash and brackets, you'll notice then that the text now has a strike-through feature. You'll notice that if we use the strong tag, where we've got the strong at the beginning, and then the strong tag at the end, we've changed the nature of this text to an actual bold or strong feature. Okay, so again, if you find some place within the text that you want to change, all you need to do is to either add or alter the tags. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.